Hi, this video is about equal to support in F-string. Let's see this in the form of example. I just created a variable name and assigned a value Alex Hales and favorite programming language and assigned the value Python. Now I'm creating an F-string within print and getting the value of name and another print and using the F-string within that and getting the favorite programming language. So let's run this and I'll tell you what's new in it. So F-string support, okay, you get Alex Hales and you get the programming language. Now since name was given, it has printed name, and favorite programming language, it has printed favorite programming language. However, if I just remove it and then rerun the code, you'll see that only the values have printed, nothing else. So with equal to support an F-string, you'll see the actual name of the variable has also printed alongside the value. So what is actually happening? It is used for self-documenting expression and debugging. Why debugging? Because you get to see that when we print the string value, it not only prints the value but it also prints the variable that is being used, and with far less arguments being passed. Before that there was no such thing of equal to, and without that it only printed the value, not the variable that produced that value. So with this we can use it for self-documenting expression. I've just used this. Okay, I have created a square root variable and I'm creating a print function and passing the F string in it with isqrt as the value within it. Now it gives only two. Now do you understand this? No, because you do not have any documentation of what is this number. But if we use square root equals to alongside this, the answer is going to be completely different. You know that square root is the actual variable that has got the value of 2. So it is self-documenting and makes the coding and getting the answers and debugging really helpful. I hope now you have a clear understanding of F-string support with equal to sign, and you would be able to use this within your code, and you would be able to understand it if that is used in any other code that you get access to. Thank you.